Привет.
Hello everyone, this is French cylinder POLLUX INOUI series.
Серия INOUI. Могут быть.
These cylinders can be single row or with cutting from three sides,
С нарезкой с трех сторон, как этот.
like this one.
Инструмент будет работать и там,
The tool is suitable for both types.
Очень глубокие основные пины.
The main pins are very deep and the top pins are quite deep, which is why the tool looks like this.
Можно подумать, что он бракованный, но это не бракованный.
It might seem that it is defective, but it is not defective. There was simply no other way to make such an instrument.
Просто не получилось. Некоторые отверстия сквозные.
Some holes are through.
Некоторые боковые отверстия.
It doesn't look very pretty.
В общем, выглядит не очень красиво, но
but it works.
Работает. Открываются, в принципе,
In principle, they are opened very well, but due to such through holes and the pins are very thin, the pins can sink deep and get stuck. And at the same time, the weak main pins are easily, let's say, can be forced. You can even do it by impression tool. For example, take this power handle instead of the standard handle and by force a little in a swing move it, and if some pin has not went, then you can turn it by force like a force key and open it. In general, they are opened well, but the problem is that the cylinder itself can be easily damaged. If, for example, it gets stuck, it will have to be pulled back by force. In this case, the tool will most likely remain intact, but the pins may break. In general, this is an interesting lock.
Фольга 0,5-0,6.
I use foil 05-06.
Делаем форму.
Make a form.
Перекладываем на рабочую часть.
Transfer to the working part. If, for example, it spins in one direction and jumps in the other, then with such a handle it will be difficult to tear it out of place. In this case, it is better to use such a handle to jerk it around. Well, I think I've told you all the features in general. It can get stuck, the tool can get stuck, due to that fact that some holes turn out to be through. But in general, it works well. The price of the tool will be on the website, the link is under this video.